All right, Mary, we did a restoration for you. Can you tell us a little bit about how the process went for you?
Well, it was interesting to watch because the house looked so bad to begin with. I can't believe what it looks like now. But the guys were very, very polite. I'd ask them to do stuff for me, even on the side, and they'd do it. They were all very, very friendly, and it went fairly well considering some of the side effects that they had, the health issues and stuff. I mean,
Yeah. Well, would you recommend us to anybody else
Amen.
with the same situation?
Oh, definitely. And I even recommended them to my neighbors up the road, so I think they're thinking about it.
Cool.
Yeah.
How did I forget? How did you end up going with us originally?
I think I saw an ad somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, because I looked it up because I knew I needed to get it done, and
Okay.
I think I saw an ad maybe on the internet or something, or Facebook.
Okay.
Are you on Facebook?
Great. Yeah.
It might have been Facebook.
Awesome. All right. So you like how the house looks now then?
I love it. It's just
Great.
like brand new again. Now I don't want to sell it.
Yeah. Any advice you have for anybody that's thinking about getting work done on their house?
Oh, get it done because it's so much worth it.
Who should they choose?
You, of course.
All right. Thanks, Mary.
You're welcome.